Hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a you versus them current energy check in for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Yeah, there's no timeline because it's just current energy check in. Roles can be reversed also. It might or might not resonate as it's general. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And if you want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. Let's see Capricorn from your side. We have the Emperor, the Two of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles. You're telling me that you're going to do absolutely nothing and you're going to wait for somebody to show up at your door at some time and not begging you actually, but asking you to start making things work out. So you're waiting for somebody to put in the effort and energy from their side in order to make a certain situation start working out, or at least initiating the process from their side. You're like, I am going to sit in my chair, I am going to sit in my power and do absolutely nothing. Actually, I'm going to put this situation in the back seat, and if something or someone have to show up at my door, they can, then I can think about it. Otherwise, I'm just going to do my own thing because I have nothing left to do from my side. I have done enough, I have given enough. Now it's their turn. It could be a person that you're waiting on, or it could be like you are waiting for the situation to turn in your favor so that things will start working out miraculously. But you're like, Anjali, I have nothing left to do from my side. All I can do is just do my own thing, sit in my power, and let it happen. It's like the waiting game is going on in the background. Okay, cool. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. We have the Ten of Wands, the Seven of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles. This is someone who is so stressed out with the lies, with the deceptive energies, with the show off of I don't care, I'm doing my own thing. You know, there's this energy is so heavy and burdensome that even if they are going to connect with you right now, you will not be able to be with them for more than 2 3 days or maybe a week or so, because this is somebody who is continuously lying to themselves, continuously telling them that they are fine, everything is fine, they are right, there's nothing wrong that they did, there's nothing wrong in the situation. It's actually they're trying to mirror your energies, but you are actually sitting in your power and doing nothing, and you're just waiting. They are not able to do that. They are just pretending to be okay, pretending to be grounded, pretending to be fine, even if they're not. And it's so heavy and burdensome for them to sit on this lie that it's not even funny. And but they are still in this energy of, okay, let me at least just pretend. Why to give Capricorn the satisfaction that it's heavy for me, it's burdensome for me. It's not they're not even thinking that they are lying to themselves and it's actually hurting them only. They're thinking about why to give Capricorn or anybody who don't know me properly the satisfaction of falling apart. Okay, I don't know. Where is the love in this situation? There is no love here. There is a game of who's better, who's doing better, competition. Let's see for the connection what we have. Maybe the love will come to now. The Tower, the Four of Wands, Ten of Cups. This is falling apart. This situation is falling apart. The illusion of you are the one for me, I am the one for me, one for you is falling apart. Although the desire of having this happily ever after is not falling apart. That's still there, but this situation is falling apart, crumbling into pieces because one of you is super dishonest with themselves that it's making this situation worse and worse and worse with each passing day. Now keep on playing the blame game. Who's that? Who's this? I don't care, honey. Cappy that, to be honest with you. But one of you, until unless one of you, the one who is playing the game of, I know, I got it sorted. I don't care. Until unless they are going to get it sorted properly and honestly, this is not going to work out. Keep on doing the shit. For you, the guidance is the Six of Cups. Now the love is coming. See, just because you guys had a history together, just because at some point of time you were madly in love with each other, just because at some point of time it was working out, doesn't mean it's always going to work out. Nothing on this planet Earth is permanent beyond this planet Earth, also. Nothing or no one is permanent, especially the feelings, especially the energies that we felt for somebody at some point of time. It's either going to fade away with time or they are going to get stronger with time. But nothing is the same. If you are still living in the past with this hope that someday everything is going to be fine as it used to be, it's not happening, Cappies. No, not in this case. I don't know. Other cases, I don't know. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.